If you want to shift full time, that's what I mentioned, that one, find a good mentor. Okay, find a good mentor and good trainer, so you can learn the 2 or 3 months time you have to give. Okay, you have to give the 2 or 3 months properly. After that, then you can definitely you can plan, like learn, understand, talk to your trainer, talk to your mentor, what exactly your career plan and how much experience you have, how to showcase your experience to improve your career. Okay, there is a video, if you have watched it, please watch this video, Domain Employees by Ganesh Padala. You can check this video. Yeah, suggestions to domain employees. So suggestions to domain employees, please watch this video, definitely it will be helpful. And also I'm going to share you that if you want to learn from specific trainer, so I'm going to give you 1 or 2 MM trainers, definitely you can talk to them. Like that one, I can provide the content, but I'm not available for any kind of trainings, so you can reach this number. Okay, you can reach this number, name is Nayak, so you can reach and talk what is your current experience, what kind of module you want to learn. So mostly for MM only you can reach that number, so like that you can plan it. But always suggest that one, even in that video also I suggest that one, don't leave your present job, please continue with your current job and plan your career change, because you have 6 years 7 years of experience, means mostly you will be married or even have a kid or whatever. In that way, if you are there, then please plan accordingly.